Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong reading para sa inyong kaperahan ngayong April 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Virgo. Energy ng inyong kaperahan ngayong April 2025. Uy, Thunderbolt. Meron kayong eureka moment. Yung parang, uy, magandang idea yan. 'Di ba? Yung parang bigla mo na lang siyang naisip na, yun nga, eureka moment. Na may napanood ka or biglang nanaginip ka. Tapos, may nabuo kang creative idea. And this is also being open-minded, no? Maaring nagbabago rin yung perspective mo sa buhay pagdating sa pera mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Mas nagiging open ka for new opportunities. So, mas andoon yung creative force para sa'yo to create abundance in your life. So, let's see. Ano pa for Virgo? Ngayong April. You have Saturn, wisdom, o, diba? Wisdom is about your knowledge, your skills. I think ito yung pinagsama-sama mo ng experiences in the past na masasabi mo na ready ka na. Ready ka na to stand on your own. Ready ka na ng bagong responsibility. Ready ka na for a new job, for a new career, or for a new project. Dahil ngayon may mas mature ka na, mas may disiplina ka na sa sarili mo. You also have the numinous, which is about mystery. So this is about your psychic abilities, your intuition. So kumbaga mararamdaman mo na, uy, mukhang ito dito ako uunlad or magiging successful tong project na to. There's this inner knowing para sa'yo. Okay? So when you feel that, ibig sabihin nun, you are on the right path. Okay? So, let's see what else. Virgo. April kaperahan. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, energy ng career, and if wala kang work, so this is the energy. Tignan natin yung bottom of the deck. Four of Swords. You are recovering. Reset ang naririnig ko. Reset. So, maaring iba sa inyo, nagre-rest, nagpapahinga. Maaring nagkaroon kayo ng sakit nung mga nakaraan. So, ngayon, pinapahinga mo yung sarili mo para fully charged ka when you go back to your grinding. You also have the Three of Wands. So, I see growth and adventure for you sa mga susunod na araw pagpasok ng April. So, kumbaga parang ngayon, piniprepare mo yung sarili mo. Pagdating ng April, ready ka na, marami kang energy, and meron ka ring mapufulfill, no, na mga pinaplano mo. I think may mga plano ka for a new business or a new career path or bagong project na gusto mong i-pursue. And ngayong April, you will be able to accomplish that. Okay? So, kung kailangan ng katawan mo ng pahinga, magpahinga ka. Okay? So, your overall energy is the Eight of Pentacles, which is about being busy, doing things simultaneously. Pwedeng nagmo-multitask ka, pwede rin namang meron kang mina-master na abilities. Some of you are learning, pwedeng nag-aaral ka and at the same time, nagtatrabaho ka rin. Pwede rin kasing online naman yung courses mo, tapos may work ka rin online, so you can manage, no? So talagang napakasipag mo. And meron dito mga bees, no? So bees, it represents yung pagiging masipag mo, and also ano rin to, yung mga benefits of your hard work. So, maaring makikita mo, may experience mo, yung benefits ng iyong hard work. Kasi itong Saturn energy is also about rewards. So, you will be rewarded sa hard work na ibibigay mo for your career or your business. And then your challenge is the Ten of Swords. So this is ending, closure. So maaring meron kang ili-let go, merong natapos na kontrata, career path or business para sa or anything that is no longer serving you. Pwedeng ito ay perspective mo rin sa buhay, nagbabago yung pananaw mo sa buhay na hindi mo nagagawin yung mga dating habits mo na hindi nakakabuti for your career, for your business, or for your finances. So you are finally ending that, closing that, releasing. And then for your opportunity, you have the Two of Swords. So this is a decision making. Ngayong April, meron ka major decision na kailangang harapin. So ito rin yung energy of you protecting yourself galing sa mga outside influences, no? Halimbawa, may mga taong nagbibigay ng opinion, no? Suggestion tungkol sa pinagdedesisyonan mo, whether you are ending a career or magre-resign ka or kung ano man yung major decisions mo for your career or business or finances. So ito ay opportunity mo na to look within you, no? To find the answers within you na okay, may mga times na naman na kailangan nating makinig sa ibang tao, but at the end of the day, ikaw yung magde-decide, no? Ikaw yung magdedesisyon para sa sarili mo at you will take responsibility for that decision kasi ikaw yan eh, 'di ba? Sarili mo yan. So, this is also an opportunity for you to tap into your instinct, to your intuition without any biases. Okay? And then, for your blessing, you have the Queen of Swords. This is finding out the truth, yung katotohanan about what you want to do pagdating sa career mo, sa business mo. Maari rin yung iba sa inyo, you may be cutting off connections sa iba na this will bring you peace of mind or merong bagong energy na darating sa'yo na mas positibo dahil meron ka nang tinanggal na toxic sa buhay mo. This can be a situation or a person. Okay? So ngayon mas ambisyosa ka, which is a very good behavior din pagdating sa pag-achieve ng goals natin. Kasi the more na may ambition ka, the more na mas meron kang determination, 'di ba? To make things happen para sa sarili mo. So energy ng iyong kaperahan, you have the moon, meron kang mga worries pagdating sa finances mo. Lalo na kung meron kang ile-let go or aalis ka sa sitwasyon na 'yan. Let's say magre-resign ka. So syempre meron kang fears na paano na, no? Saan na yung mga susunod mo na mga sources of income? But this is you trusting your instinct, trusting your intuition. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng instinct mo na, okay, don't worry kasi merong mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? So for your career, you have the Nine of Wands. This is about strength, setting boundaries. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng medyo nahihirapan na kayo sa career path ninyo or sa trabaho ninyo. You feel like mag-isa ka lang or walang nagsusupport sa'yo or walang assistance, no? So, ikaw yung magbabalanse niyan or titingnan mo yung pros and cons. Is it still worth it na magstay o go na, 'di ba? For your para dun sa mga walang work ngayon, I think you are supported by your family, no? So you don't have to worry about it, especially if you are a stay-at-home parent, like stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, or someone na merong ibang source of income na hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho. So this is fulfillment in your family, in your needs. Let's see what else. Advancement. Some of you, merong career growth dito. May opportunities na parating sa'yo. May nag-i-improve yung career, yung business mo. You also have enterprise. So, some of you talaga merong balak pumasok sa negosyo. So, kung talagang ready ka na, then go for it. You're also going to collaborate with some people na merong parehong interest or pareho kayo ng visions, pareho kayo ng mga plano or goals. The time is ripe for creation and connection. Focus your attention in these areas. That makes sense kasi collaboration is connection and enterprise is also creating your space for business. And then choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. So this is forgiveness sa sarili mo or sa mga tao sa paligid mo na nagbigay sa iyo ng stress in the past. Just focus on yung mga goals mo sa buhay because eventually you will realize na yung mga naging problema in the past kasama yan sa challenge or paraan para mas mahone yung talents mo or skills mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.